When you wake up in the morning and you are preparing for your breakfast for school, and when you're deciding on what shoes to wear, those are the simple examples of what your nervous system does for you. The way you move, think, react on situations, and decide, all of this. Your nervous system is responsible for everything. Hi everyone, this is Criscel and you're watching Wisely. So let's talk about nervous system. Nervous system is an organ system containing a network of specialized cells called neurons that coordinate the actions of an animal and transmit signals between different parts of its body. Also, nervous system is divided into two systems, namely the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system is your brain and your spinal cord. The real point in central nervous system is that it gets information from the body and sends out instructions. If central nervous system is from the body to the brain, peripheral nervous system transmits signals from the brain to the rest of the body. Are you now getting the difference between the two? Very well then, let's go further on peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system is divided into two, the somatic system and the autonomic system. It's just simple. Somatic is the voluntary movement, while on the other hand, autonomic is the involuntary movements. Somatic is made up of sensory nerves and motor nerves. Sensory nerves are afferent is from the sensory receptor to the brain. It's like seeing your teacher approaching you. Your eyes now transmit impulse to the brain. The motor nerves or the afferent is the impulses from the brain to the rest of the body, the muscles and the glands. That's all about somatic system. So let's now count autonomic system. Autonomic system is all about involuntary movements, your digestion, heartbeat, and respiration. It is made up of sympathetic and parasympathetic division. Sympathetic division mobilizes resources for emergencies, while parasympathetic division conserves resources. So much for that. So let's now come to the three main parts of nervous system together with its function. First is the spinal cord. It is where the systematic transfer of information occurs. It's as simple as that. Just bear in mind that it's the pathway itself. Second is the neuron. It is the information processing unit of the brain responsible for receiving and transmitting information. There are three main parts of neurons, the dendrites, the axon, and the cell body. The dendrites. It is the receiver of nerve impulses. The axon, on the other hand, transmits impulses and it is covered and protected by the so-called myelin sheath. Lastly is the cell body. This is where the processing of the nerve impulses occurs. And now, last but not the least, the brain. All the thinking processes occur in this area, and it is the most complicated organ in our body. It is like the president of the system. It is a jelly-like mass of tissue, and it contains billions of neurons. There are different parts of the brain. First is the cerebrum. It is the front part of the brain divided into two symmetrical halves. Furthermore, it covers our sensing, thinking, and imagination, which also help us in terms of learning. The cerebellum. This is where your body coordination, balance, and posture are located. The medulla. It covers our digestion, respiration, and circulation. It covers all the involuntary movements. The hypothalamus. This is for homeostasis or balance. Furthermore, it covers our moods and motivation, sexual maturation, temperature regulation, and our hormonal body processes. The thalamus. This is the part of the brain that transmits and integrates sensory impulses. Our brain is needed and it is very complicated. We need to take really good care of it for our own good. To test your understandings about nervous system, please answer the given questions below. That's all about nervous system and I hope you learned a lot. This has been Crisel. Thanks for watching.